Hi there, Nicole here with YCharts. Thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be discussing how YCharts can help asset management professionals make tax-efficient recommendations to advisors. From evaluating an advisor's portfolio for tax efficiency to finding a suitable, more tax-efficient replacement fund, we've got the tools to help you dive into the world of tax efficiency to best educate your clients and really make it easier for you to demonstrate the value of your own strategies relative to their portfolio. Best of all, our pre-canned templates allow you to accomplish all of this in just a few clicks. We can get started by taking a look at tax analysis on a model level. After you navigate to the model's quote page, you'll see a Quick Flows tab on the right-hand side of the page. Quick Flows is a compilation of our most commonly used workflows, offered for both single securities as well as a comparison of anywhere between 2 to 12 securities. In this case, we can click into Comparison Quick Flows and get started by typing in either the name or ticker of the model portfolios we wish to compare. Next, we'll scroll down and select this tax-adjusted return comparison quick flow, which will take us into a comp table where we can quickly compare these two models using a variety of tax-related metrics. Let me go ahead and minimize this metric bar, and that'll give you a nice view of this table where we can take a look at a couple different metrics, including total returns, tax cost ratios, and then those tax-adjusted returns across a variety of time periods. Once we've analyzed these two models, we can take things a step further by analyzing the underlying holdings of the advisor's model in order to really identify which securities are dragging down the model's tax efficiency. Let me go ahead and reset this comp table, and I'm going to go into Lists, select My Lists, and then open up my watch list. You'll see this first watch list I selected contains all of those holdings within the advisor's model. Once we've got these holdings inputted, let's go ahead and open up a metric set. Now, this metric set was previously saved down, and it contains a variety of tax efficiency metrics. As you can see, we can take a look at some metrics from turnover ratio, potential capital gain, distribution yield, and even a variety of tax cost ratios up to the 20-year tax cost ratio. Now, you can certainly do some analysis here on a security by security basis. However, what might be most helpful is to aggregate all of these metrics into a scoring model. It's going to let you know which security here is the most tax efficient and which is the least tax efficient, as well as everything in between. Let's go into scoring models, and I'm going to open a saved model. And as I scroll down, you'll see I've got this tax efficiency scoring model pre-built. I'm going to click that pencil icon to give you an idea of how we set this up. On the left-hand side here, you'll see all of these metrics we loaded into the table. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see that I equal weighted each of these metrics 10% to give us that 100% at the very bottom. Once we add in that scoring model, you'll see that we can give the column a click to rank that from least to greatest. Number 1 is going to give us the least tax efficient security, whereas as we get closer to the bottom, the tax efficiency is increasing. Now we can see right away which securities are the least tax efficient. And the question here might be how to avoid big capital gains hits. Maybe you're hoping to do some tax loss harvesting. Looks like this Jackson Square large cap growth security is really taking a big hit in this model. So you might want to take the losses on large growth and go for a value play, or find a tax-friendly fund in another space entirely. Whatever your use case might be here, we've got a great strategy to find some really great replacement funds for you. I'm going to go back into that Quick Flows tab and remove this model portfolio. Instead, I'll type in that ticker of the security I'm hoping to replace. In this case, JSPIX, to pull up that Jackson Square security. And now we're going to hop into that Find Funds Ranked in Category Quick Flow, which is going to give us a list of top funds in the same category and see how they stack up. As soon as this fund screener loads, you'll see we're pulling in all of the funds in our universe that meet this criteria, as well as the category rankings. As I scroll down here, you can certainly click to sort and take a look at these category rankings to see how these securities stack up to each other. But what might be more helpful here is to input that same scoring model centered specifically upon tax efficiency that we used previously. Once we load in that scoring model, we're going to want to sort from greatest to least. That's going to give us the most tax efficient securities at the very top of the list. This is a great jumping off point that will allow you to identify possible replacement strategies or see how your own funds stack up in relation to competitors in terms of finding a more tax-friendly alternative. YCharts can help you compare model portfolios for tax efficiency and enables you a deep dive into individual holdings in order to identify the best tax-efficient replacement funds. The one-click workflows shown in this video, from quick flows to saved scoring models, will make it easier for you to demonstrate the value of your own strategies relative to an advisor's portfolio, all while saving you a headache at the end of the day. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Please feel free to give us a ring at this number provided or reach out directly to hello@ycharts.com for more information. Thanks a lot and have a great day.